guys, welcome to our channel. It's My Life Philippines. It's Tuesday afternoon. We're going to inside Clark and we're gonna meet our subscriber Eleta. We're going to Subic with him and with Leon.
Hi. Now we already in the Clark, Pure Gold Duty Free, and his hotel, Xenia Hotel, is Chinese hotel. This is Pure Gold Duty Free. Hotel entrance.
This one?
Yes, this is Xenia Hotel. We already in the parking, in basement parking. Xenia Hotel. We going to the lobby. Yes, this way hotel elevator. Really big hotel. You can see Shira here. Under the tree. This is tree. Look like tree. Big hotel. Yeah, it's not lobby. It's like casino again. Okay, let's go to the lobby.
I don't know, it's joke or not?
About what job?
Because we go down and we go
Oh, I
outside.
don't know because where. I think it's too
It's
lobby.
lobby in the top.
Ah.
And then here in the
Xenia Hotel. Oh, this is room. Ciaras. I have one room or two rooms?
One.
One
Okay.
room. Two rooms. It's
Yes.
at least one bedroom. One bedroom.
Yeah.
One bedroom. What is good?
Balcony also.
Balcony.
You can see the view there.
Can.
Yeah, sure. Flowers also here.
I don't know how open. It's locked. It's okay, I can take video like this. We can see.
the main road.
No, it's not my road.
Main road.
Main road?
Yes, it's main
Maybe it's Pure Gold Duty Free.
I remove my names, but you can do the picture for you. Leo, you can. It's okay for me. See my uniform.
It's uniform.
Yeah.
Yeah, he Ali is pilot. Pilot in Boeing. Boeing.
In Qatar Airways.
Qatar Airways.
So
Pilot.
I just removed my name. No
Okay.
problem.
It's nice room.
They have also heater.
Uh-huh.
Heater. It's good if you want to drink.
Yeah, it's good room.
And you finish?
Yeah. So we go to Subic right now. Shaira seat. Shaira, I will put here my bag.